These iPhones are glitching and only flipperzero knows why. Apple Bluetooth BLE spam. Welcome back to Take Apart. This was possible to do way back, but it required some nerd programming. But now it is included in my unleashed firmware, and I believe Roguemaster has it too. So go apps, Bluetooth and Apple BLE spam. Here we have 34 different spam actions, and oh boy, I already love them. I have a separate video about this AirTag where I removed its speaker. But first, let me show you how it works. If you bring any new device close to iPhone, it recognizes it using Bluetooth and wants to connect just like this AirTag. Let me remove a battery from it so that it will not interfere. And now is a showtime. Let's try random action. Boom! It is crazy. It letting iPhones know that there is Apple TV. This one emulates new iPhone. Apple TV audio sync. And the new iPhone setup again. But random action wins big time. It is mental and it will be my most used spam attack. Look, this is the best time to subscribe or leave a comment below. I could do AirPods Pro, even AirTag, but only on this iPhone 15. And Beats X works on iPhone 7. For some reason, Beats Studio Buds Plus is popping on iPhone 15 again. It is random. Apple TV spam works from 5+ meters away, unlike AirPods or AirTags. Alright, let's see each option. We have random attack, then random pair, Apple TV autofill, Apple TV connecting, join this Apple TV audio sync, Apple TV color balance, set up new iPhone, set up new random, transfer phone number, HomePod setup, AirPods Pro, Beats Solo 3, AirPods Max, Beats Flex, AirTag, Hemis AirTag, set up new Apple TV, pair Apple TV, HomeKit Apple TV setup, Apple ID for Apple TV, AirPods, AirPods 2nd Gen, AirPods 3rd Gen, AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, Powerbeats 3, Powerbeats Pro, Beats Solo Pro, Beats Studio Buds, Beats X, Beats Studio 3, Beats Studio Pro, Beats Fit Pro and Beats Studio Buds Plus. On the end is About page with creators, and all the way in the front we have explanations about the app. Let's do one more HomePod as it is cool. Thanks for watching and see you next time.